Grab 4 bead wreaths from Dollar Tree. Don't throw away the bag. Grab a can of metallic gold. Spray paint all of the ring. We're just going to paint this by sections. Grab your shopping bag, crumple it up like this, and just go like this. Once you're finished getting that paint off, set that to the side so it can dry. Grab a candle with a wooden lid, pop that lid off. This is what we're gonna use next. I picked up these burlap leaves at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna start with the smaller ones. Just take the smaller ones, grab your glue gun, place a dollop of glue right in the center, then take your leaves and place it right on top. Now we're going to work in 3s for this. So put your second one there. Now we're gonna use the traditional burlap colors. So we're gonna put this one here. Okay, rewind. I didn't realize that those wires were gonna bulk that up so much. So I cut off as much wire as I can. So we're gonna take this and put it right there. I love this green for this. So then just place the 3 green right around here. I cannot wait for you to see what I have planned for here. Take your kitchen hammer, just find 1 bead, just take your hammer, give it a tap, tap, and break that right off. And make sure you do them to all 4. That reminded me of cracking walnuts with Grandpa. Take these wreaths, put them all 4 next to each other. Make sure you have these all lined up. Then hold them together, push them inside of one another. Make sure you line this up so you can fit those together like so. Grab some wine corks. We're just gonna select a few. We're gonna take our hot glue, put a dollop of hot glue right here on the end. Take another one of the corks, put it on there. Look at that. That works out perfect. So your cork should look like a little stocking. Now take your leftover leaves. We're just going to cut these off so they're a little bit shorter. Just tear off that bottom part. Okay, grab some twine. Wrap the twine around the top where you join these together and just tie that off in a knot. Now flip the rings upside down and do the same to the bottom. I picked this up at Michael's, but first I'm gonna add in twinkle lights. Take the end of your twinkle lights, start here at the top. We're just going to wrap these all the way around every other bead. Here's the fun part, putting it all together. Take your fingers, press down on the middle, just like so it sits nice and flat. Put your fingers in the middle, bend this up like this, just to give it some curvature. I added some gold outline to these leaves. We're just gonna take these, remember they had the wire on the back? We're just gonna bend these, and now I'm just going to glue these together. Take your glue, add a big dollop to the bottom of that. We're gonna place this right here on top. Now grab your corks, put a dollop on the bottom of the cork. Don't be shy with that, it doesn't melt like styrofoam. Place that right in the center. Now take this hot glue in the center of this, also a good amount. And then we're going to flip this over, place it right here in the middle. Make sure you get it even. This is the icing on the cake. How perfect will this be on your Thanksgiving dinner table? I picked up these burlap leaves and these wooden bead wreaths at the dollar store. I picked up this pumpkin that's got a light in it from Michael's. Speaking of lights, let's turn on those twinkle lights in 3, 2, amazing. Be sure to check the comments. I'll post a photo of this lit up tonight after the sun goes down. And as always, if I can do this, you can do this. Wow, I love it.